Hi, and welcome to this video tutorial about SAP Fiori UI5. So, we show you an example about how to now deploy Fiori apps. On architecture item, we show you the different architecture support by SAP Fiori and mandatory tasks to do for each one. On security, we define mandatory roles, authorization, so manage of profile for ads. At last, we create our data service, work with Fiori design, and manage objects. Our academy include theory and practice to do on our test environment. On our demo, first we create our data service. Click on Add Service. Put your alias and list the service. We select our OData. Click on Add Selected Service. Now, customize your OData and click on Continue to save the change. Now, go to Fiori Design. The Fiori Design is a tool on Fiori frontend. We look for our apps. On Target Mapping, we define the behavior. On Configure, we define the semantic object and action to do, and go to Save for Save the change. On Fiori Launchpad, click on Our Apps. With F12, you can develop your apps and look for the errors. If you need more information about our academy, read us to our mail. Thanks and goodbye.